Hey, Bill Forrest here, Forrest Team Realtors, Palmer House Properties, powered by HomeSmart. Today we're in Tequila. I hate losing these clients. They're leaving and going cross country. It's one of my favorite houses that I've ever sold. And you've just got to check it out. From skylights in the kitchen. I mean, look at this kitchen. It would be a dream to cook here. There's so much to this house. We can't even, the video would be 20 minutes at least. But check out some of these highlights. You're gonna love it.